Welcome to today's edition of World Tech Summary from Irish Cloud Developer Analysis Cloud.
Welcome to our special AI newscast. Tonight, we're tracking a massive, rapid shift in global tech power dynamics. Breaking tonight, Anthropic hits a staggering $965 billion valuation, officially dethroning OpenAI. To keep pace, Alphabet is raising a historic $80 billion, igniting an absolute infrastructure arms race. Fueling this war, Apple is reportedly licensing Google's Gemini model for a whopping $1 billion annually. It all culminates Monday at Apple's Developers Conference. This is Tim Cook's high-stakes final keynote before John Ternus takes command. Here's the verbatim detail. A custom 1 trillion parameter Gemini model will power the ground-up rebuild of Siri. This signals a massive industry reshuffle. Meanwhile, Microsoft is moving aggressively to cut ties with OpenAI. Microsoft introduced MAI Thinking 1, a new in-house reasoning model pushing for AI independence. Capitalizing on this industry fracture, Anthropic's confidential IPO filing could become history's absolute largest tech listing. As reported, Anthropic recently shipped its flagship Claude Opus 4.8 model with stronger agentic coding. And in breaking legal news, Florida becomes the first U.S. state to sue OpenAI and Sam Altman. OpenAI denies responsibility, but this landmark lawsuit strikes precisely as their fiercest competitors pull ahead in the market. But here's the hook. This power struggle isn't just software anymore. We're hitting a brutal physical resource bottleneck. The move underscores how AI competition is shifting to who can build the largest computational networks. Even SpaceX warns investors that water scarcity is now an AI risk in its IPO filing. The harsh reality? This global AI boom is entirely constrained by raw physical elements and local water resources. So, with cloud resources tapped out, tech giants like Nvidia are forcefully pivoting to local autonomous hardware. Nvidia is now targeting the CPU market through partnerships with Microsoft, Dell, and HP. Moving AI offline promises a massive leap in global worker productivity. What does this mean for you? For the public, these autonomous workstations will dramatically increase business output and completely elevate personal standards of living. However, incredible wealth will inevitably consolidate among the few infrastructure giants controlling the physical compute and water supplies. As these alliances shift and physical limits close in, who will ultimately dictate your digital future? Good night.
Please consider us for your website and app development needs. We are Irish after all.